Welcome to the world of seamless website customization with BlockWheels Pro plugin. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of personalizing your website by adding and customizing a progress bar. Step 1. Install and activate the BlockWheels Pro plugin. First, make sure the plugin is installed and activated. Add a progress bar to your page. Navigate to the progress bar page in your editor and click the edit button. This is where the magic happens. Click the plus icon to add the progress bar block to your page.
You have a wide range of options to make the progress bar your own. Need more progress bars? No problem, you can add as many as you need. Start by modifying the overall layout. Want to change the size? Use the full width or wide width options to expand the section and create a more impactful design. You can adjust the columns and rows to fit your desired layout. You can also adjust the background color and label color to align with your website's branding. You can customize the font by adjusting the uppercase or lowercase and changing the font color to match your style. You can also adjust the thickness and size of the label to fit your design preferences. Once you're satisfied with how your progress bar looks, it's time to publish your page. Simply click Publish and then hit View Page to see the final result live on your site. Now you are done with your progress bar.